In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. If you need to manage who has professional access to your books, QuickBooks makes that process fairly simple. This is useful when you're bringing in a new accountant, switching firms, or removing access for someone who no longer works with your business. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in as the primary admin or a company admin, because only those roles can change accountant permissions. Once you're inside your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon, which is also labeled Settings. From the menu that appears, select Manage Users. This is where QuickBooks lets you control access for different types of users connected to your company file. When the Manage Users page opens, look near the top for the Accounting Firms or Accountants tab. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account, but this is the section you need for managing your accountant access. If you want to add a new accountant or accounting firm, click the Invite or Invite Firm button. QuickBooks will then ask you to enter the accountant's name and email address. Fill in those details carefully since the invitation will be sent directly to that email. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will immediately send an activation link so the accountant can securely connect their firm to your books. This gives them the access they need without requiring you to share your own login information, which is the safer and recommended method. If instead you need to remove an accountant, stay on the same accounting firm's Systems or Accountants tab. Find the name of the accountant or firm you want to remove from the list. On the right side, under the Action column, click Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the change in a pop-up window. Click Delete again to confirm. Once you do that, their access is removed right away, and they will no longer be able to sign into your company through that accountant connection. As a quick tip, always double-check that you are removing the correct person before confirming, especially if you work with more than one financial professional. Keeping this list updated helps protect your business data and ensures only the right people have access. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online.